Good afternoon, students. Today, already through your WhatsApp, I have sent you the study material. So, you already got the information what chapter will be included in your third term. We start to practice from there. Today, online class also. Today, I have not any online class for this part. Okay. Next online class, of course, I will be discuss the math. But before that, if you can start earlier and through the video and whatever study material I have sent in your group, so you are not face any problem from this math. Okay. So your chapter will be first chapter will be playing with the numbers. Okay. So playing with the number, this chapter, of course, the number is, say that the number is very, this chapter is very much easy for you, all purpose. So I am starting this chapter, exercise number 5.1. So what is that? Generalized form. Generalized form to generally, this is the math for your class 2 chapter. 207. What is that? This is a 1, tens, 100. So this is the 100. These are the 10 place. These are the 1 place. Okay. So this will be your answer for that part. This will be your answer for this purpose. Okay. Next. Question number suppose 2. What is say that? Write the quotient when the sum of the two-digit number 34 and the number obtained by reversing the digit is divided by this. Sum of the two-digit number 34 and reversing the digit. If I can reverse the digit, it will come in what? 43. 34. Reversing the digit will form the 43. If I can add this, whatever I can get it, 77. Okay. Number obtained by reversing the digit will be this. So this 77, if I can divide it by 11, then whatever you can get it, 7. And when this number will be sum of the digit, okay, sum of the digit is what? See that 34, sum of the digit 4 plus 3, 7. 77 divided by 7, that is 11. 77 divided by 7, that is 11 is your answer. Clear to all of you? Okay. Now another important math and interesting math for this exercise, that is the question number 4. What is it that without actual calculation, write the quotient when the sum of the three-digit number ABC and the number obtained by changing the order of the digits cyclically, that is VC and H. Okay. ABC. Suppose if I think these are 1s, 10s and 100, then cyclically you change it what? B will be go there, C and A. Another I can make it, B will be go there, C will be go there, then B and then A. Clear or not? You can say that. Sorry. CAB. See that. ABC. A will go here. B will become here. So C will become here. B come this side. C go this side. A will become this side. Again, C will become there. A will become here. B will go there. See the one side left, this is that. So these two is there. Okay. Now question asks, if I can, when the sum of these three-digit number, okay. So ABC means is what? 100A plus 10b plus c bc, this is 100b plus 10c plus a, this will be 100c plus 10a plus b. If I can add this 100 10, that is 111c, 100a 100a 10a 110a, this one is 100 1a, this also be 100 111b. You take the common. If I can make it in synchronized way, then you can easily see that if I write in this way, you have not faced any problem. CAB in class form, if you write ABC or BCA, both are the same for there, no problem from there. Okay, so whenever no form from there, I can write it generally in the proper manners, that is the ABC. Okay, okay. So now see that part. Now question asks, if I divided by, so this figure divided by 11 100, so your answer B plus B plus C. Okay, if I divide it by A plus B plus C, this A plus B plus C divided by A plus B plus C is also 1 1 1. If I divide it by this figure, this 37, this, clear? So in this way you can easily solve the problem from there. Just keep in mind, this is the easy, just not any complication be there, not any complicated part be there, nothing, this is very simple for there. Okay. Same question, suppose question number 6. The sum of the two-digit number is 11. If the number obtained by reversing the digit is 9 less the original number, find the number. Okay, sum of the two-digit number is 11. Suppose one two-digit number, suppose if I discuss the question number 6. Two-digit, xy. This is two-digit number. So if I write it, x plus y is equal to 11. Any problem? I think you have not faced any problem. Two-digit number. 23. How can you get the 23? 2 into 10 plus 3. This is the place value after that. Okay, the 2 plus 3, that is 5. So here I am written x plus y, that is 11. That is question answer. The sum of the two digits. Suppose 23. Suppose 23. So you can write this is 5. That means 2 plus 3, that is 5. Okay. The sum of the two-digit number is 11. The sum of the two-digit number is 11. If the number obtained by reversing the digit in 9 less than the original number, find the number. Now question asks. What is the number? Suppose 23. 23 means how can you get the 2 into 10 plus 3? Clear? So if I think this is the 1 plus the 10 place, the original figure will be what is coming? 10x plus y. Clear? 10x plus y, this figure will come from there. Okay. Now 10x plus y. Now whatever there. Suppose if I reversing the number, reversing the number means yx. xy become yx. The y becomes a 10 space. The 10y plus x. Now just I am written give some gap for there. Why? You understood for that. Now if the number obtained by reversing is 9 less than the original number, then this number 9 less than the original number. Original number is 9 less. So you can make this difference will be there. 9. Okay, so whatever you can figure get. (9x) minus 9y, you can get the answer is 9. Take the common. X minus y is equal to 1. Okay. Now original figure is what? X plus y is equal to 11. Here you can get x minus y is equal to 1. Do that cancellation. 2x is equal to 12. The x value is 6. If the x value is 6, suppose this equation, if I put the value, x value is 6 plus y is equal to 11, then y value will be what? 5. Now your original figure will be what? 10x plus y. Original number. This is the original. 10x plus y. I think it is not out of the camera. Yes, we should properly do that. Okay. So 10 into x, 10x plus y, 10 into 6 plus 5. So your answer is 65. See that part? Is the answer is correct or not? Okay. So in this way, 65, you see that 65, 56. 6, 5, 11. 56, 11. 9, sorry. 9. There is a number, original number. This number, after reversing, you can get less. 65 original number, 9 reversing is 56. 9. So in this way, you can solve all the problems from this exercise. Okay. Next day, we will discuss more math from there. Okay. Goodbye.